What's up people, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Rutamba and today I'm going to show you guys how to gain access of your Facebook account even if you have lost your Google Authenticator app. So let's begin. So this particular video is made for people who use two-factor authenticator security to log into their Facebook account. They used to log in from their Google Authenticator app, and you don't have any other backups. For example, when most of the people, when they have enabled two-factor authentication, they use either their SMS, code and OTP comes into their mobile phone, or to their email, but you don't have access to any of this. You don't receive codes into your mobile accounts or your email while using two-factor authentication, and you only and only use Google Authenticator. You don't have any other backup. Now, for some reason you have lost your Google Authenticator app, like it happened to me. I was shifting from this particular phone to this particular phone, and before shifting to this particular from this phone to this phone, it is obvious that I will delete all my data from here, okay? But a few precautions needs to be there, but I didn't took, and I just did this. I had a lot of apps installed in my phone. On this particular phone, I just went to settings, went to backup, scroll down a little, where it is, went to backup and reset, scroll down to the bottom, clicked on factory data reset, and then clicked on reset my phone. Bam, I had installed Google Authenticator to this, and I didn't got back over here. So in this particular case, and I am a kind of person who doesn't usually, not usually, but actually I don't leave any of my history behind, even in my own laptop. Forget about in someone else's laptop. So what I do exactly is that whenever I log in into my Facebook account, Facebook asks that do you want to save this particular browser? I every time choose do not save. So basically Facebook doesn't, I don't leave any data behind Facebook, and I always clear the cookies and cache memory and the history from my Chrome account and or any other browser I use. So basically, even if I log in, if I try to log in into Facebook, let me show you one example like this. Just click on Facebook login, and I will here give my email ID. Select this, and I will set my password. And there you go. They are asking me enter a 6-digit code from your code generator or third-party app, and third-party app is definitely the Google Authenticator, and code generator, and Facebook gives you actually a code which is an emergency code that you can use anytime. I would highly recommend you to actually keep it very safe. Only you can access it. So this is actually my another account which I'm not able to open up currently right now. Actually, I don't need this account anymore, so I won't invest my time into this. This is just for only the demonstration purpose. So here, if I don't have any login code, definitely, so what I will do, I click on that. Yes, need another way to log in. Yeah, now you can see there is no other way I can log in, and here is an option, submit a request to Facebook. Well, I tried this way, this is not going to work. I'm showing you from my laptop. So if you click on this is not actually going to work in the way. I don't know why. I didn't even try it because this was actually going to the business manager in the Facebook ads part, so it's definitely not the place for me to explore. So what I did, I actually came across a video which was in native language, but definitely it was not made in English. So I thought, why not help people across the world? Many people might actually face similar issue like this. So what I did, I went to my phone And here exactly what you also need to do over here. Okay, you need to go to your Chrome browser, and then overall here as well you have to type in Facebook. I had already typed in before, and go to m.facebook.com. And here you need to give your phone number or email ID and the password. So let me put that. Now I have given my password and my email ID. I will just click on login, and the same is happening over here, that it looks that you haven't logged in from this particular browser. Please enter the code from your phone below. If you have already logged in from Facebook app right now, if you had logged in, so there you will receive a verification that yes, did you just logged in, something like that. And if you, and from there also you can generate the code, but right now I don't have anything. So yeah, having trouble, definitely I'm having trouble with Facebook. I upload from another device, I don't have another device. So yeah, I don't have my phone. You have to click on this, I don't have my phone, and click on the continue button. And then Facebook gives you a simple message. If you haven't got your phone, if you don't have your phone, you can log from a known browser. Like I said before, I don't have any known browser that I can log in from. So I will just click on this contact us button. And here you have to do the process exactly the way I'm saying to you. Okay, now actually please don't take this as a granted, because Facebook is not going to allow you to log into your account if you fail twice. So make sure that if in the first attempt you get your account approved. Is that all right? Okay, so first of all you have to put your full name. Definitely, yeah, I will put my full name. Then Facebook is asking for a mobile network or service provider. Here you need to type in Google Authenticator app. Google Authenticator app. Then here is a drop down button. You will receive 5 total options from here. I received the code, but it didn't work. I don't have access to my phone at the moment, but I still have this number, blah blah blah. You need to click on this other option. All right, yes, you need to click on the other option, and then you have to give your description, the issue you are facing. So I had actually made one. Let me show you. Also, I have given this text, a particular text. Actually you have to write over here. I had actually written that text for you guys in the description below. You can check that. And here is the text that you can write to Facebook, and you can use the exact same text, or you can tweak it a little according to you. Okay, so I'm just waiting for you guys. Dear Facebook support team, I have completely lost access to my Facebook account. I used to log in from my Google Authenticator for 2-step verification, but unfortunately I have lost that app and all the data present over there. This particular Facebook account is very crucial for me, as I stay away from my family and not able to contact them or any of my friends in this COVID-19 pandemic. So I do conduct my business from this Facebook account, and it has a lot of data which is very important for me. To prove my authenticity, that I am the sole owner of this account, I have attached my dash card, which is issued by the central government of your country. Please give me a temporary link on the email attached to this particular Facebook account to access it. And after that, after writing this message, you have to click on choose file. Okay, you have to click on choose file, and yes, if it is not allowed, that yes, Facebook will ask for the images that you want to upload. And here you have to upload a document of your national identity document, that which actually is going to prove your identity, that you are the sole owner of this particular Facebook account. In my case, as I'm from India, I had attached my voter ID card, which is issued by the central government of India. So after that, after you have chosen the file, you have to just click on the send button. After clicking on the send button, Facebook is going to reply to you within 24 hours. At most cases it will take 24 hours. even you might get within an hour. I got within 15 minutes. You also might be able to get it within 15 minutes, but if it doesn't comes, be patient, wait for 24 hours. And even if even after 24 hours you didn't get any email, wait for even another 6 hours. And then even if after that you haven't received any kind of email with a temporary link to gain access to your account, you might need to submit your credentials again. Okay, so that's it for today. If you have found this particular video useful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I will keep updating you guys and will help you accordingly make this kind of videos so that you don't get stuck into this technology world. And make sure to comment down below to let me know that if this video was really helpful and did it work for you or not. So I will see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.